Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I was liking to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and also I was liking to tell you my review after 1 year with it. Okay guys, here we can see I am unboxing it. Okay, it is my favorite color. Okay, please be sure to subscribe, to leave a like, and also to tap the ring bell icon. Okay, here we have it guys, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I removed the display seal. Here we have the papers. Hello. Here we have the brick. Let's remove the plastic cover, or let's leave it. Here we can see the earphones that are inside of it, and the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Okay, let's go through a quick Okay guys, here we are 1 year almost after I bought it. Okay, it's having a really good experience. It's having a heavy phone for its size, okay, but it's also really beautiful, as you can see, with the matte finish and the glossy Apple logo. Here we have the triple camera setup, or the oven, when it was first introduced to the public. Well guys, it's a really good smartphone with a really good specs. It is outperforming even the best smartphones right now, like Note S21 Ultra. Okay guys, if you want to buy it, it's a perfect deal, but keep in mind it's 6.5 inches and it's also a little bit heavy because from the stainless steel. Okay, and it's thin. Okay, it's have a really good battery, by the way guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is a really good experience, and thank you for watching. Peace.